Hey, Derek Moretti here, and welcome to the channel where we use YouTube and martial arts to get away from our wives for a bit. This movement looks easy, but the coordination can be a little deceiving. It's a lunge where you step out at a 45-degree angle, hips pushed forward, head looking up, and elbows fired back. If you're not a takedown specialist, poor charges and entanglements like this one are common in scuffles. This lunge is designed to break their grip and get you to that awesome rear clinch position. You could even use this to set someone up by baiting them to grab you like this to get that rear clinch. Here's an over-exaggerated example. This movement is similar to what's called a sit-out, when grabbed the same, but on the ground. Hold loosely and go slow at first. That coordination that I mentioned earlier tends to go out the door when new people start grabbing each other. And there's a little bit of pressure on the shoulders too of the grabber, so just go feel that out before you start going crazy. Okay, now in a real situation, when we're tightly clinched to that body, we can't just leave our head hanging out anywhere. It's best to glue our ear to them like we're listening for our heartbeat, whether we're in the back, side, or front. If we're stuck to them like an octopus, they won't be able to kick us. And of course, we need to send them on a nice trip before they can get away. All right, feel free to comment, ask questions, brag, or whatever, but only after hitting that thumb and bell. Fair deal? Now, if you're not sure what to do after a takedown, check out the videos named Mission 1 and When Missions Fail from our mini course we put on this channel. I called it Hostile to Harmless because I couldn't think of a cool name. And finally, for all you studs of your dojo and masters of your mojo, the advanced move of the day is... I'm going to read what I wrote so I don't ramble. As we're about to use our keys to enter our home, we take a deep breath and decide right there how we want to treat anyone who's inside. With a loving greeting or a don't bother me aura. A happy to be here or a where can I hide vibe. Give a fuck or not. Nobody in that house controls your mouth or your eyes but you. I'll see you in the next one.